In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add manual time in Time Doctor. Managing your time effectively is crucial, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or tasks. Time Doctor is a great tool to track your productivity, and knowing how to manually log your hours can ensure that every moment you spend working is accounted for. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step to make sure you get it right. First, open your web browser and type Time Doctor in the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see a list of results. You're looking for the link that usually appears as the first result, or certainly the one with the URL timedoctor.com. Give that a click, and you'll head straight to the Time Doctor homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Remember, your administrator should have enabled the Can Edit Time permission for your account in order to proceed with manual time entries. If not, you may need to reach out to them to get this squared away. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and look for the Edit Time tab. Click on it, and this will bring you to your timeline view. You'll see a visual representation of your workday, highlighting both the tracked and untracked portions. To add manual time, find the gap or empty space on your timeline that represents the period for which you want to add time. Go ahead and click on that empty space. A window or form will pop up where you can input your manual time. This step is important, as it's where you detail the specifics of your work entry. Next, you'll need to indicate the start and end times for your manual entry. Carefully select the hours that correspond to the time you've worked. Precision is key here. You'll want to ensure accurate recording of your efforts. Following that, select the project and the task from the available lists. This helps in organizing your time entries and makes it easier to track later on. If you're working on multiple projects, be meticulous about selecting the correct one to avoid confusion. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, look for the green check icon or the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the form. Click on it to officially record your manual entry. This action locks in your time and updates your timeline with the new data. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added manual time into Time Doctor. This can be incredibly beneficial for filling in gaps in your time tracking, ensuring that you're accurately reflecting all of your hard work. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your productivity tracking. Until next time, keep making the most of your time.